Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, welcome back for another practice. Let's work out together. Nice weather at home. Stay strong, keep working. Take your mat and let's get started. Let's take a few deep inhales first. Then I exhale. One more. Then I exhale. Nice. Let's start with something simple mobility. Place your arms on the ground, knees on the ground. Rotate your pelvis, right? Push from your shoulder blades. From here, we're gonna arch. We're gonna look up. We're gonna pike. Rotate our pelvis. Let's work 2. And pike. 3. 4. 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold here, few seconds. 3, 2, 1, and release. Open your knees towards the side. From here, drive your hip backwards. Place your elbows on the ground and breathe. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight arms in front of you. Fall forward. Lengthening through the spine. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, keep your arms in front of you. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, open towards the right side of your arm. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Knees, legs square. Arms closer to you. Take a deep breath. We're gonna go to down dog. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we continue. We're gonna bend our knees. From here we're gonna go down to push to chaturanga. We're gonna bend our legs, and we're gonna go to down dog. So from down dog again, we bend our knees. Plank position, we bend the legs. From here we go forward, push down, we go back, bend your knees, and down dog. Here we go. We're gonna do 10 of this. Take a deep breath. Nice and smooth. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down dog and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank position. We're gonna hold plank position 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bending our knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Knees again open towards the side. Drive your hip backwards. In front of you, look forward. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We continue with quick stretch. From here, what we're gonna do, our right leg drives forward, flat back, engage your core low back, drive hips forward. From here, we're gonna move forward once and then towards the side. Take care about what? Your butt should be always pushed forward. You should not do like backward.
forward, you should be in the line. Your hip with the knee should be in the line. So forward towards the side. Here we go. 10 totally. Inhale deeply first. Let's work forward towards the side. 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Switch. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. Make sure you drive your hip forward. Keep your alignment really good. And here we go. Forward first. 1, 2, nice. 3, nice and smooth. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Awesome. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. Here we go. Up. We are bending our legs slightly. From here, right leg drive straight backwards. From here, keep your lower back straight, lengthening for the spine. What we're gonna do from here, we're gonna elevate our right leg. Left leg is bended. Do not move your knee too much forward. Backward a little bit. Keep strong. Keep your legs strong, tight. We're working with the right only. 10 times up. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, be stable. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. And then we'll switch. We bend both of them. Bring your left behind. Take a deep breath. We're gonna switch. Left is working. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, higher. 5, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Then we continue. Sumo squat. Toes towards the side. We're gonna squat down. Hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both of your arms should rotate towards the right side. You rotate your knees. The right knee goes outside, left knee goes inside. You're gonna sit down, legs open towards the side, and you're gonna hold for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you're gonna fall forward, open your arms towards the side, keep holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're back. Then you slowly place your arms closer to you. You elevate your legs, rotate your knees to the middle first, and then another side. Right knee on the ground, left towards the side. And we're gonna hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you fall forward and hold. 5, 10, sorry. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you slowly back to the middle. Knees to the side and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms on the ground, straight legs. Open them a little bit wider. Feel your hips. Straight arms, open them towards the side, just balance. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we continue. We're gonna bend our right knee, left leg go fully straight. Hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're gonna rotate towards the right side. Right leg goes in front, left leg straight, left arms on the ground, straight, and hold. Stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we back again, rotate our left leg. We're gonna switch, bend your left knee, right leg goes straight, hold here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate your right leg, keep it straight, arms on the ground and hold. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we back to the middle, straight legs, arms on the ground, hold here. Feel that good stretch in your hamstrings. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Elbows on the ground, keep holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Up. Here we go. Sit down, release. Take a deep breath first. We're gonna exhale. One more. We're gonna exhale. Okay. Left leg in front. You rotate your pelvis. Toes on the ground. Right toe on the ground. From here, we're gonna elevate our knees. We're gonna hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. We're gonna switch. Left leg on the ground, right leg in front. Rotate, elevate your left knee. Up and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Switch. From here, we're gonna elevate. And the second thing, we're gonna add difficulty to this. We're gonna elevate our left heel from the ground as well. So first, you rotate your core low back, engage everything here. First, you elevate your right knee and then elevate your left heel and just hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. And then we switch. Same thing. First, engage your core low back, toes on the ground. We're gonna elevate the left knee first, and then we're gonna elevate our right heel. And up, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Nice. Awesome. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. Here we go. Let's do some core activation. Everyone needs this for daily life. Straight plank position. Rotate your core, rotate your pelvis. Engage your core low back. From here, what we're gonna do? We're gonna drive our right knee towards the left elbow, and we're gonna switch the left knee towards the right elbow. Here we go. 20. And work. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 4, 5. Go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Continue. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue to down dog. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And push on the ground. Here we go. Arms in front of you. What we're gonna do here, elevate our left leg straight and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Up. The right one, elevate, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then open the arms towards the side. We're gonna elevate our thoracic spine with arms together and back. Thoracic spine with arms together and back. Here we go. This is very good for your posture. Take a deep breath. 20. Let's work. And 2. Nice. Squeeze your upper back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1. Continue. 2, go ahead. 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Grab your left leg, grab your right leg. Take a deep breath first. And from here, try to push your body as high as possible, elevating your thoracic spine and everything. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly release. Okay, up. Nice one. The last one we're gonna do, take a deep breath. Exhale. Rotate your pelvis. Right arm in front, left leg up, and just hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you switch, left in front, up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Good one. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. That's it. We are done. Quick one. Mobility and flexibility for your daily life. You can do it almost everywhere. So don't forget, your body is your clock. Take your time. Peace out.